so bank holiday Monday, we've got Paul here giving us a hand. All right, Paul?
Right.
Now, he's come along, he's just making a nice job of this 3500 that we've already sold, which we've told you about, I think, already in this video. He has done the usual crack on this. He's clay barred it. What have you done, Paul?
Machine polished.
Machine polished it, and now he's waxing it. And it has come up a treat. I've got to be honest, this is looking really, really nice. It's come up way better than I ever thought it would do. He's doing a little repair on this in the week as well, where it's just scratched on the bumper there, which is a shame. And there's a couple of little imperfections, a couple of little dents and whatever. We've got the dent guys coming out just to have a look at, have a once over on the dents, and then obviously after that Paul will come back, and if there's any bits of paint correction or anything, then he'll tend to that. But yeah, that's looking smart now. We're really happy with that. Right, we've got a potential buyer, purchaser, punter, whatever you want to call it, coming out to look at the Ford Focus. Now, this happens most of the time. We get up here, say I can't find the second key. She blames me. I haven't got it, I only have one key. The other key stays in the paperwork. Where's the paperwork? She's got the paperwork but hasn't got the key. But it's my fault. I operate with a tight system, so I pretty much 9 times out of 10 know what I'm doing. And I only have one key, because I make sure I have one key, because I'm the one moving the vehicles around. What happens is, say it takes it for MOT, or something similar, and she takes the key out of the paperwork, then it goes missing. Then I get the blame, and then it's sort of, you can see where it goes. So, is this the double bank holiday whammy that we've been waiting for? To be fair, the phone hasn't stopped with cars of interest of people purchasing, which hasn't happened for quite a long time. So people are obviously thinking now's the time, it's summer, let's spend a few quid, let's get a car. I don't know, it's strange, but we have been quiet for quite a while. And then suddenly everyone wants all the stock again. It's just the way it is. It's all the way it seems to have always been since we started. And then we've got loads of stock, then nothing, and then we've got a headache trying to search for new stock. I suppose it's a big snowball, isn't it? Snowball? It's more like an avalanche. Oh, you're back.
Have you told them? Oh, what did you do that for?
Why? Because they need to know the real life of
Sarah.
The
real life of Sarah.
Yeah, well, I usually, like I say,
running around backwards and forwards because I forget things.
Yeah, I normally get the blame for the first 10 minutes. I'll get the blame until Sarah is reassured that I'm telling the truth, and then she goes into. You get
really irate and start shouting at me. You do.
No, I don't.
You get really irate. No,
yeah.
I haven't had it.
Well, I have to...
then the last thing you said, oh, and if it's not in your bag, just check my bag.
Yeah,
so
well, I'm just thinking.
You were half guessing that you'd got it as well.
I weren't, because I know I hadn't.
Sometimes you do have
I didn't want you to come back with nothing. 9 times out of 10, you've put it somewhere like stupid, like it could be in the fridge or something. Yeah, so Sarah had to race all the way back home, within the speed limit obviously, and get back when we've got just minutes spare for the potential purchasers to turn up. But also what's topped it off now is it started to rain. They seem quite happy with it. They've come from Wolverhampton. They've looked at 3 today. This is the best one they've found. They need a car pretty quick to get around, because the last one was an insurance write-off because somebody went into them. But yeah, she's taking him out now. Let's see how they get on. Now, because they are desperate for a car and that isn't fully valeted, had its final valet, they always come in and have a valet first, and then they go on the pitch, they're washed, they're polished, and they sit there. We always do a final valet ready for handover. They don't want their final valet. They're pretty desperate to have a car, actually. So we've knocked £100 off. The deal is £100 off, and then they do the valet themselves. Whether they choose to do that or not, that's up to them. But it does make it more of a bit of a deal for them to take it today if they need it. Right, she's only gone and done it again.
Done it again. Sold the Focus.
2 in 2 days.
2 in 2 days, yeah, not bad.
Bank holiday bonanza.
Yeah.
Bad,
hopefully we get another call now, and then we can send another one at 5 o'clock sharp.
The universe is bringing them into
Hopefully
us.
not today, because my potatoes are in the oven and my chicken.
No. All she's gone about is, I've left the oven on. I've got to go back for the potatoes.
I had to FaceTime our lad to check the chicken in the oven.
Yeah, take a picture of
He's
it.
never cooked in his life, and then I says, Greg's like, yeah, it looks all right. Yeah, I was thinking that myself. I thought, I wouldn't even know what a cooked chicken looked like, mate.
It could have been running around the kitchen and it's been ready to eat.
Oh yeah, it's ready.
But yeah, so all done, 2 down, 2 days. Maybe we can do one tomorrow, 3 and 3, but I don't know, we're on a good run, so.
Don't forget, we've got the camper still, which is available. Perfect season now, obviously not today, it's raining.
And the motorhome.
And the motorhome, and then we've got the KA, and we've got the 16 plate Fiat.
Yeah.
And potentially we've got some more coming tomorrow.
Maybe we've
Fingers crossed.
priced a couple of other ones up last week, which may be dropping them into us
Weren't last week, it was today.
Which ones?
What are you on about?
What are you on about?
I'm on about,
Oh, the auction?
yeah.
Oh, we've got one to bid on at auction. I've also priced on one yesterday.
What was that?
Yesterday? You're
Oh,
confusing me.
Friday.
Friday.
Saturday.
A black
Friday.
08 plate.
Where's that from?
You weren't there, was you?
No, you haven't
Someone
told me.
had a drive-in,
Oh, okay.
and then I made him an offer on a black 08 plate.
What did you offer him?
Well, I'll talk about that at another time.
Okay.
Before I get into trouble. But yeah, so I've give them a price of that. There's also another white one that we're working on at the minute that the lad doesn't really want to spend any money on, and he's on about he's 2 minds whether to sell that to us. And then the auction one tomorrow.
Yeah.
So
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
So
Lot
fingers
16.
crossed we'll get some more stock back up and we can carry on selling.
Yeah. Let's keep it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dinner?
Dinner. Bosh. Right, it's Tuesday. Very tired. Worked all weekend. I could do with another break now, to be fair. But Paul came yesterday, as you've seen. He's done a beautiful job of this. Look at this now. This is all polished and waxed. Looks really nice. He's got that ready. He's going to do a little smart repair on that bumper. Got the dent guys coming out today, like I say. Sort a few little dents out here and there. But yeah, that's looking beautiful. And as if that wasn't enough, we've had a call from the universe once again, and someone is coming to look at the motorhome. So that is 3 people now, potentially. 2 sold, 1 coming to have a look. He's coming all the way from Ireland. He's confirmed it last night, and he's booked his flight. He's flying into Birmingham, and he's getting a taxi over here. I done a video for him, walk round yesterday, and he seems potentially happy. Hopefully he's going to be happy if he's coming all that way anyway. But obviously I've told him everything that I can. I've filmed everything and talked him through it. So fingers crossed. 3 out of 3 in 3 days. Not a bad bank holiday weekend, is it? Absolute chaos here. I don't know what's going on. We're just Sarah booking everything in.
I haven't booked anything in. The only ones I've booked are the ones that are on the calendar.
Yeah.
But these, like...
Well, that should have been on the calendar, Sarah. Felix booked that in with you ages ago.
Calendar?
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Well, that one's a drop-in.
Thank you.
Needs an exhaust. There's another Fiat just pulled in up there.
Trying to stock up, aren't we?
Aye,
We're trying to stock up again.
we need to, really.
We do.
3
3 potentially gone in the last 3 days.
in 3 days.
3 in 3 days.
3 out of 3 ain't bad.
You
But,
know,
well, at the minute
as
it's 2 out
Meatloaf
of 3.
said. 2 out of 3 ain't bad.
Yeah, so let's see what happens if the motorhome guy arrives.
He's flying down from Ireland today.
Excellent now.
Yeah. Now I'm just on here, I've got a little green one coming up in a minute. I think it's a 14 plate green one.
Mint green.
Last time we had a green one, it sold straight away, didn't it?
It was a lovely car, that was. It had the tartan seats and everything, didn't it? I did like that one.
What for this one then?
If I could have put this,
You could
no,
cap, but if it was a 59 plate,
because that's a bit
it would be
unique,
capped
that
at
pearl one, isn't it? I do
26,
like the
25
seats in that one.
2050.
I wouldn't have
What's
changed
this
them
one?
seats,
18
but
under
the
bid.
tartan seats are nice, I do like them.
18 bid, 19 bid, 19 a bit, 2000. At 2000 a bit. Canopy, side
There was a
doors,
couple I could have just bid on a 16
silver,
plate
50
with
now, 2000 a bit,
50 something
at
thousand
2000 a bit,
miles.
at
What'd it go
2000 a
for?
bit, 2000
No,
a bit, 2 bit,
getting
50.
confused.
Remember, no VAT,
16
that's
plate.
like here. At 2050. At 2050.
With 26,000 miles on. It went for 3.2.
That's not bad.
That's Auto's Trader got it up for 5.7.
Okay.
But I'm thinking it's a bit. Every time we've had a car for over £5,000,
It
we've
seems
struggled to sell it, haven't we?
Yeah. But with the low mileage on that, you definitely find... to be fair, the ones that we've had that are more money are not the Fiat 500s.
No.
It was the BMW that we
Yeah.
struggled on, and the Ford Fiesta
Yeah.
that we struggled on, but we did sell them in the end. Now, if we had one that was that mileage and a Fiat 500 on a 16 plate, I reckon we could have potentially sold it, but we haven't done our checks on that one, have we?
Maybe.
For this one then, first sale today in the Spearmint. Nice colour, sellable colour. 16 bid, 16 under the bid, 16 right story, 17, 18, 18 a bid, 50s now we can do it, 18 bid, 18 bid, 5th of the bid, 18, 19, 19 under the bid, 19 under the bid, 5th of the bid, 5th of the bid, 5th of the bid, 19, 50, 2000. 2000 a bid 50. At 2000, 1 bid 2, 1 a bid 2, 1 a bid 2, 1 a bid 2, 1 bid 50. 21 50, 2 2 bid 50. 3 2 3 50. 2 3 54. At 2004. At 2004 under the bid 2 4 bid 5th of the bid 5th of the bid 2 4 50. 2 4 50. At 2 4 5th of the bid 2 4 5th of the bid 2 4 5th of the bid is still in advance at 24 50. Sold and away. Thank you.
Bosh.
We got it.
Done it. 24.50 plus fees. 25, 26, 27. So we're paying about 28 for it on a 14 plate. Hopefully there's not too much wrong with it. It's a 3995. It's only done 60,000. So bit tight, but it's stock.
We've got a car.
Yeah.
Good news.
One more day.
Motorhome sold. That's 3 in 3 days. And we have brought a Fiat 500.
14 plate.
14
61,000.
61. What did I say? 4 tail pout.
I'm not sure.
You'll hear it when you watch it back.
Tail pout.
Yeah. 14 plate. 61,000. You say?
Something like that. Yeah. Oh, somebody at the door.
I'm not walking up there because my feet keep getting wet. I haven't wore the appropriate footwear again.
Right, it says off to the post office.
We'll have to drop a car back as well.
And she's dropping the car back. She's taking an ECU, sending that off to be tested, to where we send all our modules off to. Hopefully he's going to find a fault with that because there's multiple fault codes in the bank leading to ECU fault. Anyway, that's a long story. But this Fiat 500X has just come in with electrical issues, voltage low, and what else was it? I can't think now.
Cutting out.
It was cutting out, misfire, starting to misfire when they pull up to the lights, and it would cut out, but then it would restart.
Hi everyone.
Okay, see you in a bit. Au revoir.
I'll be the same.
Right, so we're on this little funky white or whatever it's called. Martin's just putting a gearbox back in there, recon box and a new clutch. I think that is pretty much done then. Paul's coming later to sort these few little bits of scratches out, tidying that up, and then in the morning says taking it for MOT, and fingers crossed that should be ready for handover as long as it passes. I can't see why it shouldn't do. I'm having a little look on the auction and feeling alright. Same with you, you busy?
Yeah.
We've got an exciting bit of stock coming in, haven't we?
We have indeed. Oh, also, I've got somebody coming out at 3 o'clock this afternoon to look at the 13 plate KA that we've got on the pitch at the top. Yeah, pretty much it. They're coming out at 3 o'clock, so hopefully 4 in 4 days. Fingers crossed. We can do another sale.